In this video, we explore how easy it is to work with Microsoft Teams group chats within Salesforce. To start, we want to create a group chat with members of the opportunity team when the opportunity reaches the proposal stage. In this record-triggered flow, our entry conditions define when the group chat should be created. Text templates are ideal for preparing a formatted message, especially if we want to construct a piece of text using values from other resources such as records and other variables. Collect emails or display names of people to be included in the group chat. With the topic built and members collected, the Create Group Chat action can create the chat in Teams. Using the group chat ID, it's easy to send the message from the text template into the chat. We'll store the group chat ID in a custom field on the opportunity so that it can be used later. Moving this high-value opportunity to the proposal stage creates the group chat, allowing the team to work through various details. Now, when it closes, we want to capture a summary within the opportunity itself. Flow and Agentforce can help us summarize the chat automatically. In our template-triggered prompt flow, manual inputs and a text input variable will keep this flow highly reusable. The List Chat Messages action just needs that chat ID, and to make the response easy to work with for Prompt Builder, we ask for a single text value. To surface all this text to Prompt Builder, we'll add it to the prompt instructions. Our Flex Prompt template defines a source with the same name as the flow's input variable name. This allows the prompt to provide it to the flow automatically. Create a prompt that will summarize the conversation in just the way you like. Be sure to use the flow to bring in the text. Finally, we use a record-triggered flow that places the summary onto the opportunity record. The Flex Prompt template can be added as an action, and we provide the chat ID from the opportunity to pull it all together. Save the summary into the custom field, activate the flow, and now it is time to test. Closing the opportunity causes Agentforce to work its magic. The summary is now available to anyone reviewing the opportunity, allowing you to collaborate in teams while keeping your key business data in Salesforce.